statistics of the Fire Prevention White Paper, fire occurs on average 37 times a day in Taiwan. This is a very high number. When the TV shows a picture of a fire burning down a house, you might feel a bit lucky, thinking it's someone else's misfortune and will never happen to you. But how do you prevent fire from happening to you? Now the world's most sophisticated fire extinguisher has been introduced. Fire Buster. It has the most powerful fire extinguishing ability. When fire breaks out, it will put out 100% of a fire in a flash. DTE, its active ingredient, DTE, is a special fire extinguishing substance which can swiftly put out fire. DTE was used in Middle East oil fires and was very successful. Fire Buster has the smallest size and lightest weight at only 0.5 kilograms. If you know how to use bug spray, then you know how to use Fire Buster. Whether you're an adult, child, man, or woman, you can easily use it to put out fire. In Taiwan, Fire Buster has been endorsed by academics, experienced firefighters, and educational professionals. Its fire extinguishing ability is the only one legally witnessed and endorsed by lawyers. Therefore, there is no doubt of its capability to put out fire.
Today, Fire Buster is going to undergo its boldest, most daring test. What kind of test is that? We will be using this tiny Fire Buster to demonstrate its fire extinguishing ability. Today, on site, we have prepared 4 motorcycles, bed sheets, tires, and common flammable household material, wood. Okay, that is our test, and we have already passed all tests required by CNS, which is to use so small an extinguisher to achieve the best fire extinguishing results. First of all, let's invite a representative, Mr. Xu. Mr. Xu, how are you?
I'm doing all right, thank you.
Here we can see we have 2 volunteer firefighters. The test we are about to conduct today, in order to prove it's real and isn't staged in any way, we have invited Changjiang Dafang International Law Firm's Ms. Yi-Chun Lin to come to our demo. I'd like now to welcome you to our demo, Ms. Lin.
Hello.
Okay, let's start our experiment. Now, what's being poured?
It's diesel plus gasoline.
Which is a combination of diesel and gasoline.
Such a big fire is still easy to put out.
My volunteer firefighter friends, 101, let's try Fire Buster. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It is almost out.
It is out now. Now, let's ask our lawyer to have a look and bear witness.
Huh? It's not hot.
Fire Busters
really
are low
not
the
hot,
temperature.
believe it or not.
Our Fire Buster utilizes a world-patented water-soluble anti-flame solution. Only DTE anti-flame solution achieves the effect of lowering temperature. It's really an amazing thing.
Okay, what's next?
We're going to burn some tires. Because tire contains steel rim and wire, when they burn and after we put out the fire will restart. It's a very difficult substance to put out once it starts burning. Our DTE can effectively contain toxic fumes such as the white smoke coming out now, which is being contained, as you can see.
DDT, used by Fire Buster, has passed the non-toxic test of the Bureau of Standards Metrology and Inspection, Ministry of Economic Affairs. It is extracted from non-toxic natural plants. It will not harm your skin even if sprayed onto your body or face. Even when you're in the midst of fire, you can spray Fire Buster on yourself to protect against high temperature. It will increase your survival chances. Now, let's have a look at Fire Buster and see if it will explode under high temperatures.
The temperature has reached 100 degrees Celsius, which means the water is at its boiling point. In this high temperature environment, the canister design with inner nozzle mount can withstand high temperatures like this. Okay, let me take it out of the boiling water with this pan.
Okay, you can see.
Ooh, it's really hot.
Okay, hot, very hot. Let's spray it. See?
It still works superbly.
It's not being affected in any way. Let's ask our audience. Madam, do you have a question?
I was wanting to try it myself, if I could. Could I?
Oh, Granny's a little bit nervous. Come and try it now. Oh.
Whoa. Oh, it's really easy to use. So easy.
Oh, how scary. Okay, the fire is so big. Wow, it's so fast. Did you know it's that fast? Did you know it's really fast? Take a look. It's so fast. Was it fast? For fire in any place, spray it and it will be extinguished.
When a Molotov cocktail explodes, it will produce a huge fire. That's what's terrifying about Molotov cocktails. In case of Molotov cocktail fire, with Fire Buster, you will be able to put out the fire within a few seconds. Now, we have come to a scene that you might be a bit familiar with. It's a regular apartment staircase. In case of fire on the escape route, or if it is blocked with junk, your only chance to escape will be eliminated.
This is the only escape route. If hit by Molotov cocktail or intentional motorcycle fire or car, his only escape route is being blocked. We will demonstrate how to effectively use Fire Buster to clear a path for survival.
You mean today, for all fire extinguishing, you will only use Fire Buster?
Yes, and only a single one.
Only one? Wow, that's scary! How scary was that? Take a look, Mr. Shoe. You can see how he's putting out the fire, and it goes straight from the fire case, the only escape route, and puts out the fire. We can only see a little bit of fire now, hardly any fire now. There's no need to doubt. We have let you witness today that such a small fire extinguisher will be able to put out a fire as soon as it starts. Did you know, starting October 1st, 2004, all cars are legally required to be equipped with fire extinguishers? Wow! Very effective against such a big fire. Take a look at that fire extinguisher. How easy it is to put out the fire.
Yes, this is imported from Switzerland. The nozzle spray angle is 15 degrees, hence its coverage area is much wider.
Fire Buster's DTE has received numerous awards and patents. In Europe, US, Japan, the Middle East, and Australia, it is being widely used.